2002 Houda CRV. Light are the original one, very low, and now it's time to upgrade to LED. I bought two from Temu. Those are very cheap, like about $10 both. This one here, and we're just gonna install them and see see how much different it will be after installing. Can you put high beam, low? One is already burned. Low. Yeah, this side is burned, this side is okay, but to replace this light you need to unplug it first. Unplug, and there is a washer. It's hard to see because it's dark here, so we need to remove this cover, and then now I can't see it. Oh. It's hard to see, but because it's dark, but you see this one here, I'll put the picture to you so you can take a clear look. Now this one is in, so make sure this rubber water resist, dust resist in, and you see the 3, 1, 2, 3 out, so you can put this one, the plug in, and it should be good. That's it, just like that. And plug it in. See, that's the difference. This is the LED. It's a big difference. Let's replace that one. Come this side. Remove the plug first. Remove this. This one sits like that. So bit different. Let's try the high beam. So this side, it was the left side, kind of when I put it on high beam, when the left side is off, the right side is on. And the trick is, I put the plug over there. I did not put it on the right spot. They are 3 legs like that, 1 in the top and 2 in the bottom. So this connector, it was not fitting right. That's why it did not work well on high beam. But now let's give a try high beam. See, they working good. High beam, low, excellent. Let's sit in the car and test them again. Now it's low beam, high beam, low, high, low, high. Pretty good. Thank you, all the best, and hope to see you next time.